During times of darkness, during times of sadness, of depression, if you slowly but surely start a practice of gratitude, things have to get better. Now, obviously, it seems hard at the beginning because you don't want to do it. It's hard to do it. Why should you do it? You are distraught. But if you do it and have the discipline to stop complaining, to stop being so negative and add a bit of light to that darkness, the more and more you will see through that darkness and feel more joy, more peace, more love, more patience, and more compassion. So start small and keep going. If you want more to be grateful for, you really need to stop complaining and start having this attitude of gratitude. So slowly but surely look for the good in your life. Look for the good that is already here. And slowly but definitely surely you will have more and more to be grateful for. Because now that you have stopped complaining, you will see more of the good that already is in your life. And the more you do that, the more you will have things that will come in the future to be grateful for. So by acknowledging the good you have right now, you can have more in the future. That's all you need to do. But it takes consistency and discipline and effort. Gratitude enables you to let go and to surrender and to allow and to accept. So whenever you feel something, whether it's negative or positive or neutral, you can resist it, enjoy it, welcome it, or fight it. So if something is hard to deal with, by virtue of allowing it at first and by being thankful for the lessons you get from those negative emotions, by welcoming them with thankfulness, you can learn to actually move on in your spiritual life, not only get everything you want, but also become a much better, more wholesome person. So gratitude is obviously the parent of all other virtues. You got to try this out. Say this thank you over and over again. Slowly but surely, your life has to get better. You can do it for a month. You can do it for a few weeks. You can do it for a few days, a few hours. Just try it out. Say thank you all the time and see how your life changes for the better. Try it out. Make the effort. Be consistent and disciplined and see how it goes. There's a lot of talk about abundance, right? And the best way to actually feel abundant is to be thankful, to be grateful. Because when you are grateful and thankful, you are by definition not complaining. Therefore, you are not in lack. You are only seeing the good and the surplus of life. So by being more grateful, you are automatically more abundant. So start from there and see where it leads you. The more you are actually grateful, the more good you will see in your life that you already have, because you have stopped complaining. Being grateful means by definition that you have stopped complaining. When you complain, you see only the bad. When you actually stop complaining and see the good in your life, you will begin small. But by virtue of doing it over and over again, you will see more and more things that are already in your life, and more will be attracted to you. So you make a choice, complain or be grateful. Gratitude is something you can start with your mind, with your conscious mind. But over time, you will see that the heart will take over. So you don't need to despair, don't need to worry if at first when you are thankful, it is something that feels neutral, that doesn't feel really truthful to you because you are just starting out. But more and more, you'll be thankful, and more you will feel joyful. And be filled with this sense of gratitude, not all the time, but a lot of times. So start with the mind and the heart will take over. With gratitude, you can look at your past and see the good that happened in your life, that see the good that people did for you, the good you have done for yourself and others. You can see also this in the present moment. Be thankful for what it is. Be thankful for the people around you, for the things you have, for yourself, for the good you can do, for the good people do for you and for the world. And you can look at the future with hope for greater things to happen to you, for you, and for the people around you. When you are feeling thankful and grateful, especially towards people, you have to express it. If you feel thankful for a person in your life, even if this person is not here right now, express it to them. Even if this person is dead, write a letter to them. Even if they're gone, if it's someone you can reach out to them. That's amazing, because when you share that gratitude, not only you make for yourself greater karma, but when you share it with someone and someone acknowledge that gratitude, it makes good karma for them as well. And we all become greater beings, more beautiful beings that attract all kinds of good stuff in our lives. When you feel grateful, express it towards the people you are grateful for, towards yourself, even towards things in your life. If you are grateful for the road, for your eyes, for your hands, for your legs, for the chair you're sitting on, for the air you're breathing, express it out loud or mentally. You just say it, express it. Yes, enjoy this amazing feeling of gratitude. And sometimes that's all you need to do. But even when you express it, it reinforces that feeling. You know how when you're fearful and you feed that fear with negative thoughts, it makes it worse? So the same is true for positive thoughts. Feed it with even more positive thoughts and see how high you can get on gratitude.